Hello friends, welcome back to lmsdaily.com. In today's screencast, we will see how you can update the private file space size of all the users on your Moodle site. By default, Moodle is configured to offer 100 megabytes of private file space to all the users, and in this video we will see how you can update or change that 100 megabytes to a higher value or lower value, whatever you need. In order to do that, you need to log in to your Moodle site as the site admin and then go to the site admin page. And then under this general section only, just scroll down a bit and go to security section, and here you will see site security settings page. So just click on this one. On this page, site security settings, you need to scroll down a bit until you will see the private file space area. So this is the maximum amount of data that each user can store in their private files area. Now let me say that for this demonstration, I would like to offer them a higher private file space. Let me say that it will be 1 gigabytes. So I will just put 1 and then enter the value of gigabyte here. And then just click on the save changes button here. So this will increase the private file space to 1 gigabyte for all the users. But kindly note that you need to use it with a lot of precautions, because this will increase the server capacity requirement of your Moodle site quite extensively. If you offer a space of 1 gigabyte or a higher space, then you need to calculate that there is a appropriate space on your server to accommodate all the such requirements of all the users. So please use it at your own risk and with a lot of caution. If you need any help while calculating the server space requirements, you can connect with me in the comments section below. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to click the subscribe button as well as press the bell icon for our YouTube channel. It will really help me to create more engaging content for you in the future. Thank you. Have a great day.